Whatever shot you're getting, make sure you hold your shot. If you have to count for like, let's say 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the end of a shot, at least you'll have it. And that way, if you're doing a pan and you hold the shot, maybe the pan didn't work. Well, that held shot might be the thing we want to focus on anyways. Maybe I can use that shot. If you're panning in, and you get the shot, and you're like, okay, and you try it again, and you never actually hold your shot. So you may get the perfect pan, and you go back, I'm doing it 3 times. Well, once you do here and you go back, I can't use that shot because you didn't hold it long enough to actually be a shot. You had the leading up to the shot, but you didn't have the shot. And there are all types of things like that. So always hold your shot. Never be micro-adjusting your shot. Don't be too concerned. Get 90% of a shot, and don't worry about that extra 10%. Because if you focus on the 10%, a lot of your shots are going to be like at 50% or unusable. So really, I would shoot for 90% rather than trying to get the perfect shot because, you'll end up blowing it.